Hi, I am Aryan Raj and this is my project Microtasker. It solves a common pain point for freelancers and teams that managing tasks, clients, and billing instantly in one place. Instead of juggling multiple tools, I created a full stack automated platform that centralizes everything task tracking, invoice, and client collaboration. Let me walk you through the key features. A user registers using email and password. After login, they land on the dashboard where they can manage their client project and tasks. Each project can have multiple tasks with a status, priority, due dates, and a built-in work timer. The timer automatically tracks work session. If the app closes the timer running once a task is marked complete, the user can generate an AI powered invoice which is emailed to the client and user. It is fully automated. I also added a system to limit AI generated invoice and automated email to a quota per month for free users with fallback support for offline local invoice generation. Everything is visually tracked in the dashboard. Let me walk through your demo. Here you can see uh, logo and here the banner. Here you can see two button: visit dashboard and manage client. If the user does not register, user has to register. I will show you page later. First you can go to manage client. I created that. Here you can see this is the client page. I created this client and all the stuff because the video has to be 3 minutes. So here you can see this is the client. User click on the add project. User go to here. User can add project like giving project name, description, the client name. Here we have only one client, so it is the status and the priority. What is the priority, what is hourly rate, and what is the, and if the user click on add project, the project is added. Here you can see design e-commerce website, who is client, what is the due date, status, priority, what is the hourly rate. Then user can edit or delete. User can also add task. Here I added task of this section. This also are handled by our backend. So here you can see user can add task by provided task name, description, in which project has which task, the status of the project, and the priority and the due date. And user click on add task, the task is created. Here user has to click start task, the timer started. Here you can see the timer started for design e-card service. Here user has to select option. If the user select on pause, it is in progress and it is resume on where the timer stop. On if the user click on complete, user has to end the task. When the user click here, you can see user get an option of generate invoice. User can generate invoice and the invoice is generated by the AI and also sent to the user email. Here you can see invoice generated successfully. User get an mail here. Here you can see Microtasker card service. Here you can see here user. Here user can get, here user get a mail of the invoice. Here you can see the generated invoice shows here. The all details are here. Here you can close and here you go to home and here you visit the dashboard. In dashboard you can get all the things that a user need, delete account and all the things.